Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2025 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to show you how to change these wiper blades. The driver's side blade is 28 inches long and the passenger side blade is 14 inches long. Alright, grab a hold of the wiper arm, pull it up towards you, and up here you can see this plastic piece locks the wiper blade to the wiper arm, so you get its little screwdriver underneath there and just pop that up. Okay, take your screwdriver, stick it under here, and then lift up. That will release, and then you can push the wiper blade down towards the glass, and it will release. Just like that. And be very careful. The wiper arm is spring-loaded. If you bump it, it's going to come flying down, potentially crack or chip your windshield there, so just be aware. Okay, take your new wiper blade, insert it into the J-hook wiper arm there. Lift up. Once you lift up all the way, push this piece down, locks it into place. That's it. Same thing for the other side. This side's a little easier because it's right in front of you and the blade is a lot smaller. Same deal though, guys. And you can gently lay this down here on the glass temporarily so you can go get your wiper blade and it should be okay. Just be careful. You can also get a rag or towel and lay it like that temporarily if it makes you feel better. Grab your new blade, stick it in the wiper arm, lift up like that, lock it, you're done. Well guys, that completes the wiper blade change. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Check out the description for part numbers and links and whatnot. Hit that like button if you liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.